Hello friends, welcome to my channel Empower. This question is from software engineering. I am reading out this question for you. Which of the following is a functional requirement? Maintainability, portability, robustness, and none of the above. So a functional requirement means if you write a software, and so functional requirement are that if the software can calculate, if the software has any technical issues, if that software is whether it is calculating its data, is it processing its data correctly or not. These are all functional requirement, and here it is mentioned that maintainability like if when the software is made, is it upgradable or not. So this is not coming into the functional requirement part. This is coming under the another part of software engineering. Portability, like if the software is working one system, will it work in another system? This is called portability. Like if it is working in a system and you want to do that software in another system, this is called portability. And robustness means like if you are giving a wrong input to a software, so at what extent it will give the correct output for that wrong input. This is called robustness. So all of three options are not functional requirement. So option D is the correct option. And functional requirement are like this: calculation, technical details, data manipulation, processing, etc. These things comes under functional requirement. So option D is the correct option. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.